tomorrow I had two original joke songs, both kind of with the same topic, and we'll probably I'll play a little bit of both of them for you, and then we'll pick one. One of them is I'm looking for some hoodoo.
Because when I hoodoo my baby, she won't want no one but me.
And the other one is
My baby threw away my Mojo hand. And all the ladies in town are running after the garbage man.
I've heard the garbage one. That sounds pretty
pretty funny. Mojo ends up at the city dump, and the line says the backhoe drivers and the backhoe drivers and the landfill pickers started doing the Humpty Hump. Because the Mojo ended up in the city dump, so the backhoe drivers and the landfill pickers started doing the Humpty Hump.
Because my baby threw my Mojo in the garbage can. So all the women in town are chasing after the garbage man.
What type of groove were you thinking on that one?
It's kind of a two-step, My baby threw away my Mojo hand. She threw it in the garbage.
We'll try it. Or at least rehearse it.
I don't even know if I know all the words. Probably be an E. Okay, so it'll probably have an intro like Little Walter, bop, bottle, bop, oodle-da-da-doo-da-da, bop-it-on, bom, 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 bom.
So much.
Well, my baby threw away my mojo. It's my baby threw away my mojo. Well, she threw it in the garbage. Got hauled off by the garbage man.
Are there any tricky bits to this?
No tricky bits. It's a story song.
Story song. Do you have the lyrics written down somewhere? Or are you gonna review them on the way home?
See, I gotta put a pop filter on you. 'Cause otherwise it will sound like shit and you'll break the mic. Let's see.
Think about that.
How did this goddamn thing work?
There you go.
Wish it would bend back a little bit this way. Guess that's not in the cards. Alright, that'll do something.
All right. Hello. Is that better? Good. All right.
A couple inches. Oh.
Well, my baby threw my mojo hand away. My baby threw my mojo hand away. Well, she threw it in the garbage, and they came and hauled it away. Well, I went down to New Orleans, talked to the voodoo queen. When I explained my problems, know just what you need. Yeah, my baby threw away my mojo hand.
First thing I know, she threw it in the garbage can. Well, you know, things started out just fine, and then she started coming in at dawn. Well, I ran for my secret hiding place, but my gree bag was gone, my baby. Threw my mojo hand away. Well, she threw it in the garbage. Got picked up on garbage day. Getting kind of funky out at the city dump. The backhoe drivers and the landfill pickers started doing the Humpty Hump, 'cause my baby threw away my mojo hand. Well, now all the women all in town chasing after the garbage man. Landfill pickers and the backhoe drivers start doing the Humpty Hump.
The Humpty Hump.
That's it. Straight ass Chicago blues with no apologies.
That's it, Gary?
That's it, I think,
What?
man.
One take? The one take wonder.
One take.